half the time I was only nervous, only intimidated because there's like Anurag Basu, Abhishek Bachchan on set, Pankaj Tripathi. They also want to get papped in not so good clothes. देख रहे हो क्या ट्रेंड चल रहे हैं तो मतलब पैप्स को हम क्या ही बोले यार उनको तो बुलाया जाता है वो बेचारे आते हैं there is so much admiration, so
Yeah.
much respect for the government and our army men. Man,
Yeah.
we don't deserve them, I feel. Hi, this is Asha Negi, and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
Hello everyone, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is Komal Vishwakarma, and today we have someone who has won hearts as Purvi from Pavitra Rishta, and since then, there is no looking back. From making a household name in the TV industry to now carving space in OTT, Asha Negi. Stronger, bolder, and authentic. Hi Asha, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm doing amazing. I'm looking forward to have a chat with you because it's the first time I'm interacting
First
with
time.
you. Yes.
I'm also excited.
So Asha, you made a big name in the TV industry and now making an OTT. You've worked rigorously, no doubt. How do you see your career graph?
I definitely see evolution and growth. There have been a lot of hurdles in between, a lot of patience, a lot of rejections, but I feel nevertheless I did not stop and I kept on falling in love with the art more and more each passing day.
You really enjoy doing what
I
you're doing.
enjoy. I love it. In fact, I remember there was this fire that I had when I had come to Mumbai from Dehradun. That fire was to do something. I was ambitious, but it was more about being there on the screen,
Yeah.
getting famous, or becoming a heroine. I've become an actor who's in love, in immense love with her art, with her craft, and that is the growth, is what I'm talking about.
Wonderful. Recently, criminal justice has happened and audience is loving it. Tell us about your experience. How was it?
The experience, the entire process was a lot of fun. I was very nervous initially because it's such a huge show, it's such a big franchisee, and you want to work with big actors,
Yeah.
with good actors, but you also know if you're working with such phenomenal actors, you can't just go ahead with okay work. You have to be like good. So is why I was a little nervous, and then you have such amazing actors. But I remember the entire journey, that entire process. It was a lot of fun. Like even now, when I think of it, I look and I tell myself that I want to do more such work. I want to be challenged with such difficult characters, with such phenomenal, working with such phenomenal actors. Is how you grow. I feel how you evolve.
Okay, our girl Asha Negi loves challenges.
Yeah.
How Pankaj Tripathi, such
Yeah.
a talented
Yeah,
man.
oh my god, we have to say that.
Yeah, how was it with him? How was the experience?
So I did not have any direct scenes with him,
Yeah.
but I met him during the reading sessions and once or twice on set. But I have worked with him before on Ludo. We had one scene together, I remember. So yeah, I mean, we all know what a phenomenal actor he is, and such a gentleman.
Yeah.
So grounded, so simple. I think that is what I love.
Hmm.
But I did have a lot of scenes with Zishan Ayub, and same.
Yeah.
What an actor! I'm so fortunate and so grateful I got to work with him, and such difficult scenes. And again, very simple guy, very grounded, effortless. So, yeah, I can only say that I'm extremely fortunate that I got to work with these people, that I'm a part of the show that, these people are part
Yeah.
of.
What is your favorite genre? Like you really are keen about it कि मुझे इसी में काम करना है, मजा आता है इसमें.
I think my all-time favorite would be a rom-com.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which is that character which is closest to you and why?
This would be an unfair question
Yeah.
because all your characters you give your heart and soul. So this would be very difficult. All my characters are so dear to me. but because this one is recent, चलो इसी का नाम बोल देते हैं. The criminal justice में I'm playing Roshni. So because this is the closest experience, I'll go ahead with this.
आपने सब जगह काम कर लिया, टीवी में भी काम कर लिया, फिल्मों में भी काम कर लिया, ओटीटी में भी अभी कर रहे हो. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज थ्री इंडस्ट्रीज? कुछ आपको फील हुआ?
Yeah. Difference तो मतलब यही है that I am now doing OTT and I have done a lot of OTT
Yeah.
in the past
हाँ.
recent years, and the kind of work that I'm doing, I'm really enjoying. I remember when I was doing television, it was amazing, it was great, but after a point, it did become monotonous because the commitment is very long.
हाँ.
So doing the same thing every day does, become monotonous.
Yes.
Becomes. And with film, I have only been part of like one film, that was Ludo, and then Collar Bomb again was a film, yes, but it was more of an OTT experience. Ludo was like a big one
It
for
was
me.
amazing. I loved the film.
Thanks. It was a big experience for me. That was half the time I was only nervous, only intimidated because there is like Anurag Basu, Abhishek Bachchan on set, Pankaj Tripathi, and that was a very new experience for me, with films. And I was also, I remember I was very new on OTT also at that time. So half the time I was nervous, intimidated. Yeah, that's
What do you
it.
do when you're nervous? Is it something you do to calm yourself down?
You know what I do? The days that I'm nervous and I feel a lot of pressure of performance, I come back home and I watch Schitt's Creek. Like that is
Okay.
my favorite show, one of
हाँ.
my favorite show, comfort shows. So जिससे comfort दाल चावल होता है ना किसी का
हाँ.
वैसी, that is my comfort show. It makes me feel easy. It makes me feel grounded. It makes me feel इतना serious क्यों ले रही है life को? That's how it
Go with
makes
the
me
flow.
feel. Yeah.
So आशा 15 साल बीत चुके हैं आपको इंडस्ट्री में. How has the industry treated you?
यार most of the memories are good. Like honestly, it hasn't given me many reasons to be bitter towards the industry because I see a lot of people being bitter, and of course I get it, people do get bad experiences, but I think I try being as grateful as possible. Honestly, imagine you come to Mumbai on 2nd of April and you start working on the 22nd of April.
Wow.
And in the same year, you get the biggest show of your life, Pavitra Rishta. I got it in December. 3 years. I mean, then I got so much love. So honestly, it's been pretty good.
It's so nice to
It
hear
is.
this.
It is. And then, of course, there were times when things were not working. And even now, I do sometimes get typecasted as a television actor, but nonetheless, I'm still working and I'm getting good projects. I'm getting to work with good directors and actors, and that is what I want. I don't want to focus either, just like be on my lane and keep working. So yeah, it's been good.
आप कितना भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ, स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाओ, बट at the end of the day when you go home, you crave for that warmth, that love. Do you agree?
Sometimes, right before my periods. But
Okay.
other than that, I'm quite content in life.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think love makes you? Weak, strong?
Both.
Okay.
Yeah. It makes me strong at times. It makes me go weak at times. And yeah, I think that's what love is all about. It gives you that strength, but it also does make you weak. So yeah, I think it's both pros and cons.
How do you think love should be?
This is how love should be, I think. It should give you all the strength, it should make you weak. I feel I have grown a lot with all the relationships and hardships and heartbreaks that I have been through in life. And if not for all those experiences, I wouldn't have been myself. Like, I'm happy, I'm content with who I am and the way I'm learning and the way I'm growing. So, yeah, and I love love. I would want to fall in love again. And yeah, no matter whatever it brings, I want to take that chance again in life.
Wow, fingers crossed. I wish you all the very best.
Thanks.
Being an actor, you're always in the public eye.
Hmm.
How do you manage your personal and professional life?
I don't take myself very seriously as an actor, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't. I forget I'm an actor. And that's how I like it. I want to just be a person, a human being who works. Like acting is a job that
Hmm.
you do, and it doesn't make you great or anything. The people who know me know what I'm talking about because it is an ordinary thing for me, and
Hmm.
celebrity, all this, I don't take it very seriously. Mm, and also, I feel I've said this before that it is just your job, and you are so much more than just an actor.
Yeah.
You have a life. Acting is only a profession, and it is okay if I'm on the public, under the public eye all the time. Public can feel that. I don't have to feel that all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a very different perspective. I really like
You know,
it.
honestly, it keeps me sane. It
Hmm.
keeps me कि कुछ सर पे ना चढ़े. It
हाँ.
keeps me grounded.
But you know, being an actor, you have a liberty. आप जो
Hmm.
बोलते हो लोग सुनते हैं.
Hmm.
And I मतलब उसी regarding है मेरा. What do you think about the pap culture? Like
Hmm.
women being papped in not so good clothes.
Listen, they also want to get papped in not so good clothes. देख रहे हो क्या ट्रेंड चल रहे हैं तो मतलब पैप्स को हम क्या ही बोले यार उनको तो बुलाया जाता है वो बेचारे आते हैं
Hmm.
people these days don't want to I mean they want to get dressed a certain way and get papped so ठीक है जो जहाँ जैसे खुश है
Okay. Okay, a serious thing. A
Hmm.
lot has happened in our country recently, like
Hmm.
from Pahalgam attack to
Yeah.
Operation Sindoor.
Yes.
What are your thoughts on it?
So much. I mean, I would require a different, separate interview for that if I end up
Hmm.
saying. But those were some really difficult times for
Yeah.
all of us. And I personally, I live alone, and in fact, I was very vocal about it on my social media
Yeah, same.
that was one of the loneliest time for me because you know our country is going through so much, and uh, you never know what will you wake up to the next morning.
Yeah.
I remember a lot of people I spoke to were also going through the same thing. We would just be on news, watching news all the time. I was not even able to sleep properly.
Yeah.
Somehow I had got dark circles in those during those days. I remember. And then first thing you would wake up, you would open your Instagram to check कुछ हुआ तो नहीं है.
Hmm.
So it was a very difficult time for our country. But the way our country
The government.
replied
they-
back, there is so much admiration, so
Yeah.
much respect for the government and our army men. Man,
Yeah.
we don't deserve them, I feel. Yeah, our army, our armed forces, the way they have made us feel safe, feel
Hmm.
protected. I'm so proud to be an
Yeah.
Indian. I'm so proud that I
Proud.
was born in
Super
this
proud.
country. कुछ भी थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाता तो गड़बड़ हो जाती.
nahi, nahi. That much trust
I'm
we have
so
to keep on them.
I'm so proud to be an Indian. And the
Yeah.
way the things have been managed by the government, hats off.
Truly.
Yeah.
Respect.
मेरे को
Salute.
वैसे goosebumps आ गए while answering this question.
Okay, lastly. सीरियस लेना चाहो तो सीरियस ले लो, फन लेना चाहो तो फन ले लो.
हाँ.
Is Asha Negi happy?
Because I don't take my life seriously is why I'm happy. And I
Okay.
think that is the most important thing. Don't take your life seriously, guys. Just like have fun, enjoy. कुछ भी seriously लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. And that is what makes me happy. I'm happy, and that is my priority.
Hmm.
I happiness is a choice, they
Yeah.
say, and that's how I take it. I make sure I'm happy. I make sure I'm not in a bad mood. If I'm in a bad mood, why am I in it? What can I do to get myself out of it? So I prioritize happiness.
Hmm.
So you have to do that to be happy, I feel.
Amazing. Good tip. All right. Thank you so much, Asha. It was lovely having this
Same
conversation
here.
with you. I hope you like the
I
same.
loved it. I enjoyed
Thank you.
it.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank